infant choking.
First aid for infant.
First aid of infant choking. Tapos the baby is positive for choking.
Ay, walang kinausap ko. Sige.
There are 6 signs and symptoms of choking. Cyanosis or discoloration of face. Bluish discoloration of face. Dyspnea or difficulty of breathing. Difficulty of crying. Difficulty of coughing. Restlessness and glaring of the eye.
Okay.
First, position the baby into football position. Launch your leg. Hold the mandible of the baby. Then give back slap in the center of
Scapula.
scapula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then transfer the baby. Always support the local area. Make sure the head of the baby is lower than the body. Then give 5 chest thrust in the epigastric area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The current object is still not visible. Repeat the process of the mandible of the baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5. Now the foreign bodies is visible. Swipe the foreign body using your little finger. Then peek. Now sitting position.
Sige. Anak.
Hold the baby into football hold. Hold the mandible. Then 5. Give 5 back slap. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transfer to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, 5.
Master na siya sa transfer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the foreign object is visible. Wipe the foreign object using your little finger, then stick. Now I'm done.